Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do a mini twist on your natural hair by yourself. So this is going to be very detailed and easy, you guys. It's that easy. Okay, so let's get started. So you'll be needing your combs, you'll be needing a moisturizer, and of course you'll be needing your shea butter or cream or cold puddings, whatever. So the next thing you want to do, or the first thing you want to do, is to moisturize your hair. So you want to make sure that your hair is actually moisturized to make it easy to work with. So the next thing is to detangle. Now you need to detangle because you want to make it easy to work with. Okay, so the next thing is to divide your hair into like workable sections. So I'm just going to be dividing into smaller sections. See, you don't have to worry about making your parts straight and all that. If you can't, just work with what you can do. Okay, so I just went for that to take that part and divide it into 3 other parts, just so that I get like medium size kind of twist. Okay, you can even do smaller ones if you want, but I don't have strength to lose anything that is smaller than this size already. Okay, so I just went ahead to like separate that side and show you guys the side I want to work with. So this is the side I'm working with, and I go in with my shea butter to seal in the moisture and also to give it some shine. And yeah. Okay, so I just go ahead and part this section into 2, then I cross it. So once I cross it, I twirl. Okay, I twirl or I twist, anyone you want. Then I cross it again. I twirl, I cross, I twirl, I cross, I twirl, I cross. And then as I'm crossing, I'm making sure that I'm crossing tightly, okay, just so that our twist will still be in place and not unravel. Okay, so this is how you do it till you get to the end. So you cross and you twirl, you cross, you twirl, you cross, you twirl, till you get to the end. And once you get to the end, you just like coil it around your fingers again to just like make your ends stay in place and not let the twist unravel. Okay, yeah, exactly. All right, okay, so this is what we have, this is what it's looking at. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys again, just so that you would understand. So I go in with my shea butter, I divide this section into 2, I cross it, and then I twirl. I cross and twirl, I cross and twirl, or twist, I cross and twirl, I cross and twirl, I cross and twirl, all the way to the end. And I'm making sure I'm doing it tightly. Okay, so cross and twirl, cross and twirl, cross and twirl till you get to the end, and then you roll it around your fingers just to keep your ends in place, and voila, you have your twist. Okay, you guys, I told you it's easy, right? Okay, so you can easily do this yourself, and I really hope that as you're watching this, you're actually practicing it. Okay, so let's go one more time. You cross, you twirl, you cross, you twirl, you cross, you twirl, you cross, you twirl, you cross, you twirl. Okay, all the way down. All right, so yeah, this is just like basically how to do it, and I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how I do the other side, so that you can like keep seeing it and like keep learning it and try it for yourself. Okay. So for the last one, it's still the same way. You part and then you twirl, and cross. You cross, you twirl, you cross, you twirl till you get to the end. Okay? Yes. So this is how we do it. So once I'm done, I go in with my oil. I'm using Mega Growth oil, okay? And I just rub it on my scalp, my edges and all. So here you have it, mini twist on your 4C natural hair. So easy. So yeah, so please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Okay, bye.